Oracle Database is a powerful system. It stores and manages data. Managing users and tables is crucial for database administrators. It ensures data security, integrity, and performance. Let's delve into the essentials of user and table management in Oracle Database. This essay will guide you through the steps. You will learn how to create and manage users. You will also learn how to create and manage tables. Real-world examples and practical scenarios will be provided. This will help you understand the concepts better. By the end of this essay, you will have a good understanding. You will know how to manage users and tables. You will be able to apply these skills. You can use them in your own database environment. Let's get started. Creating users is the first step. It allows individuals to access the database. To create a user, you use the Create User statement. You need to specify the username and password. Here's an example. SQL create user. John identified by password 123. This statement creates a user named John. The password for this user is password 123. You can also specify additional settings. You can set a default table space and temporary table space. For example, SQL create user Jane identified by secure pass. Default table space users. Temporary table space temp. This statement creates a user named Jane. The password is secure pass. The default table space is users, and the temporary table space is temp. Once a user is created, you need to grant them privileges. This allows them to perform actions in the database. Managing users involves modifying their properties. You can change passwords, grant or revoke privileges, and even lock or unlock accounts. To change a user's password, use the alter user statement, like this. SQL alter user John identified by new password. This statement changes the password for user John to new password. To grant privileges to a user, use the grant statement. For example, SQL grant create session, create table to John. This grants John the privilege to create sessions and create tables within the database. You can revoke privileges using the revoke statement in a similar manner. For instance, SQL revoke create table from John. Tables are the foundation of data storage. They hold organized data in rows and columns. Creating tables involves defining its structure. You specify the table name, columns, and data types. Here's an example. SQL create table employees. Employee underscore ID number, first underscore name varchar2, 50, last underscore name varchar2, 50, salary number. This statement creates a table named employees. It has 4 columns, employee underscore ID, first underscore name, last underscore name, and salary with their respective data types. You can define constraints on columns. For example, SQL create table departments, department underscore ID number primary key, department underscore name, varchar2, 50, unique. This statement creates a departments table. Department underscore ID is the primary key. Department underscore name must be unique. Constraints ensure data integrity and consistency. Managing tables involves modifying their structure or data. You can add or remove columns, change data types, insert, update, or delete data. To add a column, use the alter table statement with the AD clause. For example, you would write, alter table employees add email, varchar2, 100. This adds an email column to the employees table. To remove a column, use the drop clause, alter table employees drop column email. This effectively removes the email column from the employees table. You can also modify data types using the modify clause. For instance, alter table employees modify salary number 10-2. Efficient Oracle database administration relies on practical strategies. These strategies streamline processes, prevent errors, and enhance productivity. One crucial tip is to use clear and consistent naming conventions for database objects. This improves readability and simplifies maintenance. Another important practice is to regularly back up your database. This ensures data protection against unforeseen events like hardware failures or data corruption. Backing up the database should be an integral part of your administration routine. Additionally, utilize Oracle's built-in tools and features. Leverage tools like SQL*+ for command line interactions and Oracle Enterprise Manager for graphical database management. These tools offer powerful functionalities to simplify administrative tasks. Database security is paramount. It protects sensitive information from unauthorized access and potential threats. Implementing robust security measures is essential for maintaining data confidentiality and integrity. One fundamental practice is to enforce strong password policies. Require users to create complex passwords with a mix of characters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly audit user privileges and roles. Ensure that users have only the necessary permissions to perform their tasks. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized data access or modification. Regularly update Oracle database software to patch vulnerabilities and address security risks. Furthermore, encrypt sensitive data at rest and in transit. Encryption protects data from unauthorized decryption, adding an extra layer of security to your database. Employing these security practices strengthens your database's defenses against potential threats. Data integrity ensures data accuracy, consistency, and reliability. Implementing mechanisms to maintain data integrity is crucial for preserving data quality and trustworthiness. One key practice is to define constraints on tables. Constraints enforce rules on data values, preventing invalid or inconsistent data from entering the database. Another essential aspect is data validation. Implement validation checks to ensure that data conforms to predefined standards and formats. Data validation helps prevent errors and maintain data consistency. Regularly back up your database to protect against data loss or corruption. Backups provide a safety net to restore data to a previous state in case of unforeseen events. By adhering to these data integrity practices, you can maintain data accuracy and reliability within your database. Database performance is crucial for efficient data retrieval and manipulation. Optimizing database performance ensures fast response times and a smooth user experience. One key practice is to create indexes on frequently accessed columns. Indexes speed up data retrieval by providing quick access paths to data. Another important aspect is query optimization. Analyze and optimize SQL queries to minimize execution time. Efficient queries reduce database load and improve overall performance. Regularly monitor database performance metrics. Identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Utilize Oracle's performance tuning tools and features. These tools can help identify performance issues and suggest optimization strategies. By implementing these performance best practices, you can ensure a responsive and efficient database system. In conclusion, mastering Oracle Database Administration involves understanding the core concepts of user and table management. By following the steps outlined in this essay, you can effectively create and manage users, create and manage tables, and implement practical tips for smooth administration. Remember to prioritize database security, data integrity, and database performance by adhering to best practices. By mastering these aspects of Oracle administration, you can ensure a secure, reliable, and efficient database environment for your organization.